Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let's do an experiment on the windshield. We're going to use three different things. We're going to use turtle wax and Apple and RainX. Which one of these products actually works better? Take a look.
Probably you have used RainX before and know how well it works, but have you ever tried an Apple or Turtle Wax? Turtle Wax does the same thing as RainX, basically polishing the windshield, buffing it out, and the water should bead and run off. But does the Apple actually work? I've seen so many videos about people talking how truckers use apples. Well, I've never seen a trucker use an apple, but let's take a look.
So on 1/3 of the window, we're going to use turtle wax. We're going to put it on and buff it out. Let's do that right now. So you can see we've got the turtle wax over here, and you can see it's starting to dry. And what we want to do is we just want to buff it out, just like you would on the side of your car. So let's do that. So that looks pretty clean and nice and clear. That's the turtle wax. Let's move the camera over because we're going to put an apple up here. Here in the center, we're going to use an apple. Okay, let's buff that out. Okay, that looks really good. Let's move on to the third shield, the third section of the windshield. Okay, let's apply the RainX. So basically, I drove around pretty much the entire morning. I was giving estimates here for, Apple Drains, and I did not turn the windshield wipers on one single time. Take a look at that. RainX, see it right there? It's working really good. But as we look to the Apple, well, doesn't really work too well, but it's beating up a little bit. But take a look at that turtle wax. It's doing really well also. So after watching some of those videos talking about the Apple and how well it works and how truckers use it, I thought, let's just give this a try and show people that it doesn't work. And you can see the difference. The Apple, it did nothing. But look at the RainX and the turtle wax. Remember, I drove around all morning and did not turn the windshield wipers on one single time. And look at this. This is actually pretty cool. One of the things that I did notice is the faster that you drive, the better that the RainX and the turtle wax work, because it's beating and blowing off of that windshield even faster. So let me know what you think. Which one of these products would you use on your windshield, if any? I've used RainX, in our trucks. We've got several vehicles. We use RainX every week. and make sure that our drivers can see without any problem. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drainage, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.